are here at MSU Mini Zoo, which is the place that we're proud to present.
The MSU Mini Zoo has opened since 2005. This place is located in Mahasarakam University, which near MSU Museum. This place is a collaboration between Mahasarakam University and the Korajasima Zoo.
Okay.
And the objective of this place was to provide education and breeding grounds for animals.
But before we take you a tour, we will divide group into two groups. So let's see it. Yay! Okay, guys, and now we have to divide to two teams.
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. A team. Yes, you are A. Okay, yes, let's go. Hi guys, we are A team. Yeah, and now we will take you to MSU Zoo.
Wow!
Chickens have two gender, right? Yes. Oh, so how do you call it? We call a rooster because it's a male, and we call a hen because it's a female. Oh, is that?
I think so.
Good.
Hey Jake, do you know what they call a male goose? Gander. Yes. And then, what do they call a baby goose? Maybe it's gander. No. Can you try again? No, I have no idea. Okay. Jean-Paul, do you know what do they call a baby goose?
Baby goose?
Yes.
It's called gosling.
Gosling, right? You are great. And then, what do they call a group of geese?
Group of geese? Gander.
Yes, correct. Hey, we are B team. Okay, let's follow us to see the animals. Hey guys, look over there. They are cheetahs.
Why did you call them cheetahs?
Because they have white spots on their skin. What about those ones? They don't have spots on their skins.
Oh, those are elf deer. This is so sad because they have been an easy target for hunters.
Oh no!
In this case, there are two colors. One is green and another one is yellow. I wonder if they are a couple lovers.
There are 4 hamsters in this case. They are eating. I really want to touch him.
And the last animal is rabbits. Rabbits are herbivores, and the symbols of rabbits is fertility, families, and new life.
Okay, according to surrounding the MSU Mini Zoo, how was it?
Yeah, it was a fascinating place which I can took many beautiful pictures. I was impressed and it was so fun.
Yeah.
Today was great and enjoyable.
It was fun.
It was fun.
I think so.
Well, if you got interested in MSU Mini Zoo, you can come here to take a walk or get some wonderful photos. It opens every day,
I think so.
and we hope you enjoy it.